I'll show you how to use social climb first. So I'm assuming you already know what the platform is about, right?
Yeah, she did a little rundown for me.
Okay. So I'll just show you how to easily use the platform. So this is the home, nothing much. So we'll create an
Mm-hmm.
account, then we'll just log into this. Click on login. Then down here, click on create an account. Okay, so let me just fill all that in. Password. Agree. Sign up. Okay, so that's how you create an account. Very simple and very straightforward. There's no
Yeah.
difficulties there. Okay, so this is now your dashboard. Shows you your
Mm-hmm.
balance. That's how much things. Your balance. That's how much you have. Transactions, deposits, all that stuff. The main thing people just need to know is just how to add funds, which is just you go here, click on add fund,
Okay.
then they use Paystack or this other platform from. But I prefer Paystack. That one is more easy and straightforward. So you put your amount,
Okay.
let me say 5,000. It's okay. But this thing is in USD. Let me say $20.
Is there a particular amount you're supposed to go with, or
No particular amount. It's up to you. It depends on how
okay?
many this thing followers or whatever service you're about to use you want.
Okay.
So it depends on you. For example, let me say $20. Click on check. Okay, so $20, 16,400. They'll just convert it for you. Click on pay now. Click here again. Okay. Then it pops up with your payment information and you pay for the amount. Hope you understand that.
Okay. You understand?
All right. Then if you go to fund history and transactions, that's where you see all the payments you've made before, or any transaction you've made before in case you're looking for something.
On the history.
All right. So all those ones are just the side pieces. So if you go over to services, I think you should see every service we are offering from here. So we
Okay.
offer a lot of things like Spotify, cryptocurrency services, NFT services, Discord services. All these things are mostly social media platforms. Discord is a social media platform. So services can be either monitoring or getting followers to your views or getting views, those things. Instagram direct messages,
Okay.
all that. So there are a lot of them, as you can
Okay.
see. There are a whole lot. So it's up to the customer, person that's using the platform, to come in and choose whatever he needs. You can, to make things easier, you can just go to category and just choose what you're mainly here for. If you're here for Instagram, you can just go to the Instagram section and know what you're looking for. But let me say I am here for, let me see, let me say I'm a musician now and I need audio max streams just to
Okay.
boost my views or something like that. Search up that. Okay. Then here you see the prices. Audio max direct plays
Oh,
maximum 1 million. You see it's $1.5 per 1,000. That's for each thousand plays is for $1.5. Then the
yeah,
minimum
yeah.
is 1,000 plays, which is this $1.5. Then the maximum is 1 million plays. You can't go above that. I can understand that.
Oh, understand.
Okay. So direct play is just for one song. Album play, this one can be for the whole album. another distance. So you can see just all these are just different variations of the same service. Like this one is for people from Nigeria, people from France, and all that. So that's that. Any question in this aspect?
I understand. It all depends on what you want here.
Yeah, it's very easy to navigate. Then order. This is where I now want to place an order for a service. Just click on new order. This network is slow. Okay, so when I want to place an order, I need to pop you here. So I'll select the category I want. Let me say I want Instagram followers to a high best quality. Okay. Then I'll choose from the service. This one you can choose based on speed, based on quality, and all that. You want people from what they call it verified accounts. You want people that actually have active stories. Just different variations of that particular services.
And does this variation need different pay, or it's all the same pay?
Now, different variations can affect the amount you get. For example, you can't
Okay.
expect you can't expect just regular accounts. Let me say 1,000 regular accounts compared to, for example, 1,000 verified accounts to following you. There's a different, price for those types.
Okay.
For example, and if maybe you want all your followers to appear that day, or you want it to slowly be popping in, so there are different settings for that. Then also, most of these services, for example, there are ones where if you buy followers, they can never go out. There are some times when you buy followers, slowly they'll be reducing and things like that. But you can buy the one that doesn't drop at all. So, okay, then after you have chosen the service variation, you go to the link, paste in the link of your Instagram profile, for example, this one. Then I'll choose how many followers I want. That's the quantity. I want
Okay.
3,000 followers, for example. And the price is $3.7. Like, yes, I've confirmed my order. Click on place order. Simple as that. Hope you
Okay.
understand.
I
So it
get
didn't
you
go.
here.
So it didn't go because I don't have anything in my wallet. But once you have something in your wallet, it should just go one way. So hope you understand that.
Is this actually a website or an app?
It's an app,
Okay, okay.
but it's hosted online. So, so any question?
So far, I'm with you.
All right. So as you can see, there's nothing much here. Everything is straightforward.
Okay. Can download on Play Store or Apple
No,
Store
everything
easily.
is only online. For now, it's mainly
Sorry, I
online.
didn't get you.
So for now, it's online. It's just on this website, socialclimb.com.in.
Okay.